Hello friends, my name is Ms. Bishop and today we are going to be doing a super fun holiday science experiment called Snowstorm in a Jar. Here are the materials that you'll need before you get started. If you need to, pause the video while you go and collect them. For our experiment today, you'll need some water. I've got about 1/3 cup here, some white paint, something to stir your mixture. I've used a popsicle stick, a clear glass jar, some baby oil, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Our first step in the experiment is to pour our water into the jar. Your jar should be filled about 1/4 of the way up. Next, you're going to take your white paint and add a few drops to the jar, about a teaspoon worth. Take your stir stick and mix it up. It should look nice and cloudy, kind of like milk that you would see. Next, you're going to take your baby oil and fill the rest of the jar all the way up. After you've added all your baby oil, you're going to want to let your mixture sit for a little bit. I waited about 5 minutes. This is just to make sure that you have two very distinct layers. The reason the water and oil do not combine is because they are immiscible, which is a big fancy word to mean that no matter how hard and for how long you stir, they will never mix together, and you will always find that the less dense liquid, which is the oil in our case, is sitting above the denser liquid, which is the water. Now you're ready to take your Alka-Seltzer tablet. You can buy these or have your parents buy them at any drugstore. You're going to break it in two, and one at a time, you're going to plop them in, and we're going to watch what happens to our snowstorm. The reason that this is happening is because the Alka-Seltzer tablets contain baking soda, and when you add that into the water, it creates a gas called carbon dioxide. When this gas is released, it pushes the water mixture up, but the pressure from the oil is pushing the bubbles down, which is why you see them going back and forth. Thank you guys so much for watching this experiment. Another thing that you could do if you wanted to try it lots of times is you could start adding more things to your mixture, like glitter or food coloring to make a really beautiful snowstorm. Make sure that when you're practicing experiments that you always keep safety in mind. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.